Alright guys, we're back again. We are going to do a cold start up and a POV drive today in the Hellcat, so stay tuned. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Like this video and please subscribe. Check this out. Oh my goodness, this car is so fast. It's a pretty good cruiser though. If you watch the go watch this over here, it's pretty neat. This thing screams. Switch it to the dyno mode. It's kind of cool. It'll actually show your torque and stuff as you use it, and it records it for you. It's kind of a cool feature I did not realize that it had when I bought the car. No, this car is ridiculous. I mean, I'm giving it like half throttle. I'm still getting used to, you can see the torque gauges. I had up to what, 600 horsepower is what I was using. But yeah, it's pretty wild to say the least. What I'm going to do, we're planning on going to a car show tomorrow, so I think I'm going to go to the bank and get some cash real quick, but yeah, it shouldn't be bad. Now, there's a robot lawnmower in that yard. It was like a Roomba for your yard. Oh my gosh. I love the exhaust. It sounds so good. People are probably looking at me like I'm crazy. We're at the bank getting some cash out for tomorrow's car show, but I guess the registration fee or whatever, but that's where we're at. We'll get some gas and we will head home. 276. This is ridiculous. Costco's 217 for super. I'm only gonna put like $15 in here. I'll wait till I go to Costco. Yeah, it's just rip off. Go to Costco, guys. Probably spend $10 every time you fill up your car. What am I in? Let's put it back in sport mode. One thing I don't like is that it takes like 3 years for this performance pages to load up, but I guess because it's got a lot of information. Just so smooth. I feel like this one handles a whole lot better than my old one. I think it's because of the Widebody kit. It's got the extra adaptive suspension on it, and it makes it it's a whole lot better. There's a whole lot less body roll in this thing now. Cruise by the school, I guess. Let's see, I don't know how to do this. $30. To work on my launches for sure. we are home. Thank you all for watching this little POV video. You'll have more content coming your way very soon. Once again, thanks for watching and have a great day.